Hello, this is Nilanjan Das. Now I'm live from Horish Chatterjee Street near Kalighat. This is the residence of the Honorable former Chief Minister of Bengal and the chairperson of All India Trinamool Congress, Mamata Banerjee. So, as you know that today there has been a horrific incident at Baruipur where a young girl, aged 11, has been raped and murdered. And after this horrific incident, the chairperson of All India Trinamool Congress, Mamata Banerjee, she had planned to visit the family of the victim. She had planned to go to Baruipur, and sensing this, the police, the administration has deployed heavy police deployment in this area. The entire place is filled with police. So we just want to know whether the administration, whether the government of West Bengal is planning to house arrest the former chief minister. Are they so afraid of her? Are they so afraid after a complete law and order failure? We are seeing that almost 14 girls have been raped in the last few days, and today we see that when a small girl aged 11 has been raped, and when the former chief minister, when the former union minister, when the former 7 terms MP, 3 terms chief minister plans to go to Baruipur, she is been almost, I would say, she's been house arrested. She has been confined in her residence, and Mamata Banerjee is completely with the family. She is with the family. I would show you the deployment of the police. You can see here, the entire place is filled with police. You can see the media is here. So many police personnel are stationed here, and many police are stationed at other places, including Horish Mukherjee Road, including the other ghats near here. And we are quite sure that, sensing a massive public outrage, which may be led by Mamata Banerjee, the government is trying to house arrest our Janonetri, the former chief minister of Bengal. We completely condemn this. Democracy has been butchered. Democracy is no longer present in Bengal. And this is not the Parivartan that people voted for. People didn't vote for 12 and 14 or 14 more rapes. So we are completely sure that this government is afraid of Trinamool Congress. This government is afraid of a 71-year-old lady, and this government is leaving no stone unturned to change the discourse. They don't want this incident to be discussed at the national level. They understand that this is a complete failure of law and order. And with so many police stationed here, the only question I want to ask, if all this police were present at Baruipur, then this horrific incident wouldn't have taken place. This horrific incident. And we not only want justice, we want the criminals who have been found to have links to BJP and RSS. We want justice to be delivered. We want responsibility to be fixed. The Honorable Chief Minister of Bengal, Mr. Shubhendu Adhikari, he is the Home Minister. He is the Home Minister of the state. And instead of looking after the law and order situation, the Honorable Home Minister is going after the former Chief Minister. He just wants to restrict the movement of the former Chief Minister, who is a renowned citizen of Bengal, and this is what the government is trying to do. Shame on them. They have completely failed to uphold any kind of democratic principles, and what they are doing today is creating a mockery of democracy. People of Bengal are not going to forgive this BJP-led double-engine government who came to power promising that they would ensure safety and security of women. Today, Kolkata was at number 1. Kolkata was considered the safest city. The safest city. But today, we see that this government has completely failed. In just mere 2 months, there has been 14 incidences of horrific rapes and murders. And we want justice, and Trinamool Congress, the All India Trinamool Congress under the leadership of Mamata Banerjee is going to see an end to this. We want to see how this police, how Shubhendu Adhikari's police can restrict her. We would keep a watch on them and we would ensure that the victim's family gets justice. These are the very people who shedded crocodile's tears when the horrific incident happened at RG Court. These are the same people. Where is the mother of Abhaya? That's the question that I want to put. Where is the mother of Abhaya? So this is completely farce. Whatever they are trying to do, this is completely farce, and we will never accept this complete breakdown of law and order that we are currently witnessing in Bengal. We will not allow this, and Trinamool Congress will fight to the finish. Thank you.